po ako. Kamag-anak niya. Chong. Ayun naman dyan. Yun lang.
Lakad-lakad to, Mark.
Si Ari, siya yung pinakamayaman. Hindi yan, ang taga-Saudi yan eh. Anak na yan eh, making ano ba yun?
Salamat po. Welcome po muli sa ating 18th year.
G4.
Ha? Kung ngayon. Ayan, magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Parang wala ba kayong energy tonight?
Pagod yata.
Ha? Wala, medyo po. Yan, first and foremost, gusto ko namin nabibitahan for the 8th place celebration. Sa Cavite?
Dati sa section 7.
Oh.
Siya section 7.
Andun sa likod.
Sino yun? 4th year section 7. Wala siya.
Kachat ko sa dati.
Ako chat na.
Inireview na ako.
Dapat ata meron siyang pelikula. Bakit hindi ako crush ng crush ko? Ganun ba yun?
Akala ko atin siya eh.
Kaya ako pala ano ko.
Realize niya pa yung ano ko.
Yung ano?
Yung viewers ko.
Ganon?
Hindi ko mamatid.
So, kailangan pangalanan natin yung mamaya yung crush mo. Magkano price kung pinangalanan?
Ay, classmate ko yan.
Mahirapan sila doon.
Moving forward, gusto ko din conviction. Gusto ba? Wala ka rin eh.
Mahina.
Oo, mahina.
Ang hina.
Mahina! Medyo mahina. Isa pa nararamdaman ko na kayo. Mamaya-maya lang bubuhayin natin yung mga dugo nyo. Alright, let's welcome Section 1! May Section 1 ba dito? Tayo mo yung Section... Mark? Tayo mo yung Section 1. Yan.
Kanina ko nakita ko eh. Isa ba eh?
Oh, yeah. Alex, sino nagsabi sa'yo Section 1 ka? Parang Section 14 ka doon, kuya.
So, Section 7 ako under mula yung mga advisors ko. From East Ramirez, from 3rd year, transferring lang kasi ako ng high school, and 4th year from East Bagan. And naging former battalion commander ako, safety under Mr. Parahas at saka Mr. Pascual, and eto ko lang. So, nag-thank you na sila eh. So, again, thank you so much for coming. Para si Ron, thank you so much for accommodating every time na pumunta po ako sa school, nangungulit ko sa inyo. And sa lahat po ng teachers na sumuporta, tsaka dumating, at sa mga hindi pa dumating, actually marami sila. Dapat 20, almost 20 yata yung invited natin. And of course, isa-isa, pasalamat sa lahat ng kulitis ko, especially kay Bernadette. Gusto niya palang ipabot sa inyo lahat, pasasalamat sa pagpunta, tsaka lahat ng mga nag-contribute na pinuhulog sa Money Transfer like Palawan, Cebuana, and Lloyd kasi dahil doon, nabawasan yung timbang niya. Diba, Dad? Pumayat siya dahil doon. Thank you sa inyo lahat. Tsaka, kay Sir Jerry, sorry wala pa siya, pero gusto ko lang sana ipabot yung pasasalamat namin lahat committees kasi talagang siya yung lagi namin hinihirap dito sa school at siya yung nag-brief ng t-shirt natin. So yung mga humabol dyan, nilash ni Sir Jerry yung iba kagabi, ay birthday na kahapon. So sana nabigyan naman yung iba na ngayon lang dumating. Tsaka yung hindi na magawa dyan, sorry.
Ouch.
Hindi na talaga, sorry. Pero kasi naman, di ba? Hindi na po namin nahabol kasi sobrang busy na talaga. So, and umalis na kasi just to remember our younger age, our future plans, our promises. I hope that we won't forget that once Pedro Diaz is a part of making our lives and of making
Okay. Toast everyone. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, ma'am. Madam. Cheers. What's your glass? Cheers! What's your glass?
Ipakilala ako.
Alright, so our next speaker, actually, she's the teacher of Muntinlupa and currently principal for math major, and working with PEDS or PEDRADIA since 1994 to 1995. May call on our run, ma'am.
Let's welcome Dr. Arsinan once again, please.
Pag-graduate dito, 18 taon na ang nakakaraan. May pagbabago. At syempre, nagkaroon ng pagbabago ang paaralan. At alam ko na malaking pagbabago ang nangyayari sa inyo. At alam namin na hindi rin naman mararating ang inyong kinatatayuan ngayon kung hindi kayo nagdaan sa paaralan ito. Kaya talaga nagpapasalamat ako na dito nyo idinaos ito dahil talagang lumingon kayo sa inyong pinanggalingan. Ako personally, nagpapasalamat dahil inimbitan ninyo ako. Dahil hindi naman ninyo ako naging guro, hindi rin niyo ako naging principal. Naging principal ako dito noong 1989, 1991. Ayun. At hindi ko akalain, dadalhin uli ako ng tadhana dito. At dito ako nagsimula na punong guro, at dito ako magre-retire. Mukha na mag-retire ako. So, talagang the school is very proud of you for what you have accomplished. You have gone a long way. All of you have your own successes. And your teachers, some of them are not around, but I'm sure all of your teachers are very proud of what you have become. I would like to thank also the group because you started donating to our school. Because when I showed the listing of the needs of our school, it was attended at once. Actually, the school has 3 curriculums. Special program for the arts, the regular curriculum, that's what you had, and the TBE, that is technology.
Yeah.
Okay, salamat po. Matay. Okay, salamat po muli.
Okay. Yan, maraming.
Time I ever see Get jazzy on that flight that you get on. International. First class seat on my lap, girl. Right comfortable. Cause I know what that girl they need. New York to Haiti. I got Netflix stamps on my passport. You make it hard to leave. Been around the world, don't speak the language. But your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you talk dirty to me. Get jazzy on that. You know the words of my songs. No habla English. My conversations ain't long, but you know what it is. I know what that girl wants. London to Taiwan. I got Netflix stamps on my passport. I think I need a new one. When you're in the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. She was all on me. She can make nice and greedy. Oh yeah. Those good dinners close for genius. Winners you can suck my penis. Give it a winners cause I'm dead. Chest to chest, tongue on neck. International oral sex. Every picture I take I pose with drag. On a jet, what you expect? Her pussy so good about her. Anyway, every day I'm trying to get to it. Gotta say to my phone on a big booty. Anyway, every day I'm trying to get to it. Gotta say to my phone on a big booty. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is when you talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk dirty to me. Talk to me. Talk dirty to me. Get jazzy on.
What? I don't understand.
Get jazzy on. Feet on my lap, comfortable. Cause I know what that girl I need. Stamps on my passport. You make it hard to leave. Been around the world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to understand is
Marlon Hilaw.
May we call on Marlon Hilaw?
international. First class seat on my lap, girl. Buying comfortable. Cause I know what that girl in need. New York to Haiti. I got this.
We also have 0057.
In the middle world, don't speak the language, but your booty don't need explaining. All I really need to
So,
Ay, nako, may labo.
Di ka na muling luluha pa, hanggang di ka lolokohin ng puso kong nagmamahal. Kung nakamapipilitin na ako'y iyong mahal na rin, pangakong ikaw lang ang ibigin magpakailanman. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa iyong damdamin, hayaan lang tumibok ang puso mo para sa akin. Kung ako'y mamalasin at mayroon ka na ibang mahal, pangakong di ka lolokohin ang puso kong nagmamahal. Di kita pipilitin, sundin mo pa iyong damdamin, hayaan lang tumibok ang puso mo. Teka! Practice lang yun! Practice lang! Teka lang! Bakit ang bilis?
Bantayan!
Masyado excited! Teka lang! Ano may quiz na? Kailangan sumasayaw, gumigiling. Ang hindi gumigiling, disqualified. Okay? Okay? On your mark! Teka lang! 1, 2, 3, go! Ay, may sumasayaw? Ayun! Ayun yung sinitaw na! Ano ba yan? Sino nanalo? Ano ginagawa mo?
Pre, maliit pa yung talong mo, pre. Sibahin mo, pre. Sibahin mo na lang. Oh, winner!
What? I don't understand.
Pagkakataon nyo na to. Sayaw, ikot! Ikot! Ikot!
You gotta lick it before we kick it. You gotta get it tucked in so we can kick it.
Hoy, baligtad! Ano ba yun?
Siyempre na rin, wala kang katulad. Sino may isang girl na ma-out?
Tumakbo na yung out. Okay, very good.
Oh.
Tuloy-tuloy. Kulang pa.
Sino?
Okay.
Get jazzy on it, like that you get on international. Feet on my lap, girl. Body comfortable. Cause I know what I need. New York to Lady. I got lipstick stamps on my passport. You make it hard to live. Been around the world, don't speak the language. But your booty don't really explain. All I really need to understand. You talk to me.
Wala pa oh. Ano ba yan? Pagkakataon nyo na to. O, layo konti, layo. Sato marami. Layo konti, layo. Layo.
Get jazzy on it. You know the words of my song.